Despite the government's efforts in the fight against dengue, it appears some communities in St. James continue to struggle with mosquito breeding sites. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton toured Flankers and Norwood recently and made this assertion.
The concerns that I would have, based on what I've seen, would be solid waste. We've seen a number of areas where the old refrigerators and the old cans and so on are placed in particular points which ultimately can gather water and can facilitate the breeding. The other would be the uncovered drums, so people having water without the cover, and those would also contribute to the breeding sites. And then, of course, just getting the public to be aware about these things.
Dr. Tufton says he'll be arranging meetings with stakeholders to ensure the matter is urgently addressed.
So we're going to be talking to solid waste around taking up some of that waste. We obviously are talking to the councillors in terms of their own role and presence. And if we can get everybody properly coordinated and the citizens to take the appropriate steps in protecting themselves and destroying the breeding sites, then I think we'll make some progress.